Hello students, how are you? Students, today we will start the second poem of our English reader book, that is A Nation's Strength. Students, before starting this poem, I want to ask you a question. According to you, what is the country's biggest strength? Is it a gold, nuclear power, or natural resources? Students, the actual strength of any nation is not gold, nuclear power, or natural resources. The actual strength of any nation, of any country, is their manpower, is the citizens of that country. So, the real strength, the actual strength of any nation is the manpower, the citizens of that nation. Students, let us start the poem. Not gold, but only men can make a people great and strong. Men who, for truth and honor's sake, stand fast and suffer long. Brave men who work while others sleep, who dare while others fly. They build a nation's pillars deep and lift them to the sky. So, according to poet, not gold, but the brave men, they make the nation strong. They make the nation great. They work for the honor of the country. They stand still, they stand determined and suffer long for the truthfulness and for the honor's sake of the country. Brave men who work. Brave men are those who work while others sleep. They don't flee from the difficult situation. They stand still, determined, and they work for the nation. They are the people who build the pillars of the nation deep and lift the nation to the height of prosperity and success. Now students, the summary of this poem. This tiny little beautiful poem has been written by R.W. Emerson, Ralph Waldo Emerson. In this short poem, he reveals the secret of a nation's success. The success of a nation lies with its manpower, that is, its people, and not with gold and jewels. So this is the central idea of this poem. Now comes the summary. This is a very little poem consisting only 2 stanzas, but it has a very deep message in it. The poet has revealed the secret that how we can make a nation strong. He is of the view of the opinion that it's the people of a nation, not its wealth, gold and jewels and other natural resources that make it strong. As I have already discussed with you, the people who make their nation strong are great. Who are the great people? Those who make their nation strong. They are not selfish. They work for the prosperity of the nation. They fight for truth and for the sake of honor of their nation. They believe that whatever they do publicly or individually, their actions are the representatives of the character, honor, and respect of their nation. They do not do anything that can dampen, that can damage the image and reputation of their nation. To make their nation great and strong, they don't need wealth and jewels. It is their power and determination that makes it strong. We have a rich history of the nations who were small, but they had great people in them, and those people brought their nations to the heights of progress and prosperity. So, in the last stanza, the poet describes the characteristics of brave people. He says that these people do not sleep, means they work continuously for the betterment of their nation. They work while others sleep because they do not have time to waste. They are the daring people who face all the challenges and problems of the life manfully. They are not cowards. They are strong. They are not weak like others who step back from the challenges, from the difficult situations. They build the pillars of a nation very strong. They lay the foundations of their nation very deep by doing good deeds, and then they lift the nation to the heights of skies. These are the great people who are the actual heroes of the world. If a nation has such people in it, then no one can stop this nation from making progress and making itself strong. So students, what you learn from this poem, that even if a country is not rich in its natural resources or other wealth, but if the people of a country are strong, honest, determined, then also a nation can be a very strong. Then also a nation can progress and prosper. So students, if you are also good citizens, if you are also doing your duties properly, then also you all can also make your nation strong. So one should be strong. The character of a person should be honest, truthful. That person can make any nation, their nation, strong, and can uplift their nation to the height of success. So I hope students you have understood this poem. Thank you very much. God bless you all.